Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Intakes. If you are new, hi, I'm Divya. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you all my top 5 lipstick formulations that are really amazing and also affordable. All of them are under rupees 1000 and starting from rupees 100 only. The factors that I've kept in my mind while ranking these lipstick are comfort, longevity and pigmentation. Formulation that stands at 5th position in today's video is the Maybelline New York Creamy Matte Lipstick. This formulation is very creamy as the name suggests. They glide on your lips like butter. One swipe pigmentation to cover any pigmentation that you have in the lips, which is my major concern. And also these are very long wearing. They fade away very beautifully, leaving a stain on your lips. The only reason why this is at 5th position is because it is of 300 but it is still not transfer proof, but I do have some affordable options that are transfer proof, so that's the only reason that because of which this is at the 5th position. But anyways, if you are someone who has extremely dry lips, you must surely give this one a try and you will not be disappointed at all. The lipstick that stands at the 4th position is the Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Liquid Lipstick. The formulation of these lipstick is very watery, which makes them very comfortable and non-drying to wear. And also, since these are liquid lipstick, these are transfer proof as well. Coming on to pigmentation, these lipsticks are very good with their pigmentation. However, some lighter shades are not that pigmented and you will have to use 2 layers of these lipsticks. If we talk about longevity, these lipsticks stay on your lips easily for 6 hours. However, they can fade away from the center of your lip. If you eat anything oily. But that is completely okay for me because oil have the tendency to break any kind of makeup, and lipstick is also a makeup, so it's okay for lipstick to break down with oily food. And an additional plus point to these lipstick is price point. They retail for just 100 rupees for 6 ml of product. What else do you want then? The lipstick formulation that stands at the 3rd position is the Sugar Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lip Crayon. These also give you one swipe pigmentation. These are very long wearing, transfer proof and also very creamy. They glide on your lips like a butter. But why they are at the 3rd position? Because of their price point. These are not affordable. These retails for 699, that is 700 rupees for just 2 grams of product. But if you are someone who can afford this much, this is a really good formulation. You should definitely try this one. They are really good, very creamy, very comfortable. They stay on your lips for about 6 hours to 7 hours. However, they will also fade away if you eat anything. The formulation that stands at the 2nd position is the Lakme 9to5 Lip and Cheek Color. I might sound repetitive at this point, but again, these lipsticks are very comfortable to wear on your lips. Since this has a very moussey texture, this is very easy to blend on your cheeks as well. And also, since this has a moussey texture, it is very easy to touch up with these lipsticks. होता है ना कि कभी लिक्विड लिपस्टिक के ऊपर टचअप करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है क्योंकि वो थोड़ी सी चिप हो जाती है और आधी रह जाती है, आधी हट जाती है. तो उनके ऊपर टचअप कैसे करें, क्योंकि सेकेंड लेयर अगर हम लिक्विड लिपस्टिक की लगाते हैं तो वो बहुत ज्यादा हैवी सा फील करती है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता इन लिक्विड लिपस्टिक के साथ में. दीज आर सो गुड एंड ऑल्सो लॉन्ग वेयरिंग एंड ऑल्सो द पिगमेंटेशन ऑफ दीज लिपस्टिक इज सो गुड. Even the lighter shade are decently pigmented to cover all the pigmentation of your lip. I have a light shade of this and I absolutely love this formulation. So long wearing, so easy to touch up, so hydrating, so moisturizing, very buttery, very comfortable. Yeah, it's worth every penny. And also, if you see the quantity of these lipstick, you get 9 ml of quantity, which is approximately 3 ml more than the average quantity of liquid lipstick. Because average में आपको 5 और 6 ml मिलता है, तो अगर आप 6 ml भी maximum quantity अगर आप मानते हो तो इसमें आपको 9 ml मिलता है, that is 3 ml more. So yeah, it makes for a plus point, I guess. And yes, this was all for the Lakme 9to5. I think that this is something that you should definitely give a try if your budget of liquid lipstick or lipstick is somewhere around 500. Coming on to the most favorite lipstick formulation of today's video, and that is Color Bar Match Me As I Am Lip Crayon. This is what I'm having on my lips right now, and you can see the finish of this lipstick is so good. And you won't believe कि मैं एक टाइम का नाश्ता खा चुकी हूँ और उसके बाद भी इतना सारा पिगमेंट बचा है. बशर्ते कि ये ट्रांसफर प्रूफ नहीं है, फिर भी ये इतना सारा बची हुई है मेरे लिप्स पर एक बार का नाश्ता करने के बाद में भी, which generally does not happen with so many lipstick. And trust me, this formulation is so creamy, so pigmented. I mean, it just glides on your lips like a butter. I mean, and this is so long wearing as well. और क्या ही लोगे एक ड्रग स्टोर लिपस्टिक में. This is the best lipstick formulation I must say that you can try at this price range. This is so comfortable, not drying at all. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई लिप्स का भी इशू है ना, तब भी आपको इससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं होने वाली. एंड लास्टली कि ये एक क्रेयॉन के फॉर्म में है, तो आपको एक लिप लाइनर सेपरेटली नहीं खरीदना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि क्रेयॉन्स के साथ में लिप लाइनिंग भी आसानी से हो जाती है. और अगर हम पैकेजिंग की बात करें तो यहाँ पर आपको एक शार्पनर भी साथ में मिल जाता है. तो आपको एक 800 रुपये का लिप क्रेयॉन खरीदने के बाद में एक शार्पनर अलग से नहीं खरीदना पड़ेगा. शार्पनर बोलते हो, शार्पनर बोलते हो, जो बोलते हो यार, लगा लो अपने हिसाब से. बट एनीवेज, दिस इज the most amazing lipstick formulation at this price range. 800 rupees mein, this is the best formulation that I have tried among so many lipsticks that I have tried. This one works the best, trust me. So alright, this was it for today's video. I hope that you find this one helpful, and if you did, then you know the drill. Like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in my next one. Up to then, bye bye and take care.